Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned myself into Maleficent. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So first off, I started with applying some art clay to my cheekbones. Yes, these are actually playable clay, not special effect clay or whatever, just because I'm lazy to get one. Long story short, I shaped the clay and just smack it on my face. I actually applied the clay off camera because I wasn't even sure if I wanted to go through with the clay thing or not, since it is pretty challenging to do, but turns out it is somewhat doable. Next, I'm taking the Shu Uemura Unlimited Foundation. Oh my god, the formula in this one is the bomb. You can see that the clay is pretty uneven and unsmooth at first, but as I was applying the foundation on top, the slippery liquid foundation really helped me with sculpting the clay to be more smooth. After foundation, I just set it with Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder, my favorite setting powder. Next, I draw my brows, arching it a bit more than usual to try to mimic Angelina Jolie's brows. Taking a small flat brush and a bit of leftover foundation, I shaped my brows. I use Mineral Botanica Dazzling Wonder palette. Using this photo as a guide, I think this palette is perfect to recreate Angie's dark smoky eye. With a black pencil liner, I tight line my lash line and then just apply falsies to finish the eye makeup. I tried to contour my nose a bit deeper than usual in the hopes of giving a more western nose, although I'm not sure if I succeeded or not. Alright, let's put on the horns. I bought this in an online store. At first, I didn't really know what to expect, but I think it's actually a pretty good quality cosplay prop. Here I am drawing new black lines around the headpiece because I feel the lining on this is a bit different than Angelina Jolie's photo, so I just try to copy what I see from the photo reference. Then I give that famous super harsh dark contour for the cheekbones. make it seem like my cheekbones are more protruding, I draw more black lines around here too. It gives an optical illusion effect, enhancing that 3D feel. the red lips. I use 3 lip products, 2 red lipsticks just because I can, and 1 red lip liner to somehow try to shape my lip a bit like Angie's. That's it. The Maleficent look is done. I recommend you use this clay cheekbone technique only for photo shoots or videos. If you want to go on a Halloween party with this, I think you better use a special effect mold so you can glue it to your face. This playable clay is sticky, but it might easily fall off if you dance around, especially if you sweat. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, give me any comments you want, and see you in the next video. Bye!